Rico Nalia. Shot clock 10. Rico Nalia for 3. Wala.
Inom to.
6 minutes and 45. Suarez to Suarez. Shot clock 14. Last 6 minutes and 14.
Wait, padapin,
Shot clock
padapin.
10. Shot clock 5.
Awak lagi dia.
Last 6 minutes and 30. 6 minutes and 25. 6 minutes and 20. Choose ball. Shot clock 16. 16
Dito
shot
na,
clock.
dito na.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Kanatan. Kanatan layup. Wala. Rebound by Inumlay. Inumlay power move. Connect. Inumlay. 39-51. Salvo. Last 5 minutes and 55. Shot clock 14, last 4 minutes and 45. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Suarez. Wala, rebound by Inumlay. Foul, Suarez. Suarez juga. Substitute Suarez. Tapi Orada. First team foul. Last 5 minutes and 13. Rico Nalia to Inumlay. Wala. Rebound by Esquilio. Last 5 minutes and 20. 5 minutes and 15. 5 minutes and 10. Shot clock 14. Salvo. Wala. Rebound by Kanatan. Last 5 minutes. Suarez to Suarez. 4 minutes and 5. Suarez attempt. Wala. Rebound by Miurada. Loose ball committed by Miurada. Last 4 minutes and 40. Kanatan. Tumira. Ono dos es Kanatan. 42-51, 9-point lead. Wala. Rebound by Salvo. Foul, Salvo. Second. Time out, ref. Time out. RP. Last 4 minutes and 5. Hayaw. Hayaw to intercept by Yurin. To Miurada. To Yurin. Tuloy-tuloy. Foul! Hayaw. Hayaw, you have third. First team foul. Terminated. Ito related ito sir kay mga kwanta. No solution of pwede ang admin ay siya. Pero kay system na related siya kay safety. Ay na sa mga pamayan sa mga pakayo, lababo. Connect. Last 3 minutes and 40. Hayaw. To Inumlay. To Hayaw. Tumira ng wala niya, isa takutin. Connect Kanatan. Last 3 minutes and 45. 45-52. Last 3 minutes and 15. 3 minutes and 10, shot clock 14. 3 minutes and 5, shot clock 10. Shot na 5. Connect
Awak lagi
Suarez.
dia. Dito ra ka.
Last 2 minutes and 15. Score 54-45. Bali-bali. Suarez to Suarez.
Hala. Oy, 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 oy.
Sige. Kapag sinumagay mo.
Oy.
Tagtangon ka mo sa dula. Hindi na mo ka dula karong na season.
Siya ang naniko.
Sige, sige. Sige, mga amigo na ta. Makita-kita na niya punta. Wala na ta mag-away. Dula, itong yan ni. Wala yung away. Palihog lang. Unsa man to? Oh, unsa man to? Unsa man to na sanction? Tagay kong sanction. Sir, tama na sir. Sir. Mura, bilas na ta. Dula ta. Palihog lang. Sige na. Dula itong yan ni. Basketball hindi. Hindi na siya pong point time.
Oh, gamit na. Usa.
Sige. Oh. Dire. Oh. Ilan? Double technical. Dire ang bola. Kaya dire man ang kuwan. Oh. Technical hayaw. Ilan? Technical then Suarez for second motion. Ayaw. 1 ball back out. Suarez. Second team foul. Remaining time. Last 2 minutes and 46. Palihog lang ko guys, dula lang ta. Dula itong yan. Last 2 minutes and 40. Suarez. Foul, Rico Nalia. Rico Nalia, you have... Pila? Second team foul. Second team foul pa. 2 minutes and 37. Shot na 14. Last 2 minutes and 30, shot clock 10. Rico Nalia, you have third. Warning for penalty. Shot clock 14, a foul man. The set. Last 2 minutes and 20, shot clock 10. Shot na 5. 24 seconds shot clock. Last 2 minutes and 10.
Ay.
Score 45-54. Last 2 minutes and 5. Kasi may Suarez. To Suarez. Connect Suarez. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute and 55. Last 1 minute and 50. Suarez again. Connect Suarez. Last 1 minute and 40. Isinelia. Wala. Rebound by Lurin. Last 1 minute and 30. 1 minute and 25. Shot clock 14. 1 minute and 20. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Foul. Who's foul left? Suarez, jersey number 25. You have 1 minute and 11. Reserve timeout of the shot clock. That's 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 5. That's 1 minute shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Time out ref. Time out team who's the loose ball ref. Nabiling na Shot clock 14. Galanera. Wala. Rebound by Suarez. Last 45. 40. 35. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Last 24 seconds, 24. No more shot clock. Habonillo. Wala gihapon. Isinilia connect. Last 15. 47-58. 11-point lead. A winner. Team Home Solution.